La tecnología libre representa actualmente una cuarta parte del total que emplea la Diputación Foral de Vizcaya. Y en unos 6 meses llegaremos a que sea el 50% aproximadamente. Todo nuestro desarrollo presente y futuro lo hacemos ya utilizando productos de tecnología abierta. Teknologia irekiak gero eta pisu gehiago dauko gure artean. 6 hilabete barru teknologia irekiak 50% suposatuko dau Foru Aldundiaren aplikazioetan. Bide horretan lankide sendo eta indartsuak behar doguz. Eta Red Hat lankide estrategikoa da Bizkaiarentzat.
I want to applaud your efforts in the regional government of Vizcaya to look to leverage the power of open solutions in technology.
Tenemos la conferencia ahora, el inicio de la conferencia.
Él es presidente y CEO de la empresa más importante del mundo de open source y la compañía Unir Rentería, es diputado de presidencia de la Diputación Foral de Vizcaya.
Today, Vizcaya is on. That's the way to our future. Thank you very much, Jim. Eskerrik asko denori.
Thank you. Certainly, while there are benefits around cost, about them, but I've presented this so many times to so many economists, they've added 2 more. So there are kind of 5 things that one can argue were the components that made it up, and we can argue about them. And I'll mention them, but that's the less important part. They're basic standard components on which people could build. The auto lathe, individual parts had to be made and crafted, and so if one system. The other 2 that people have in terms of general power. Now, I want to spend less time on any of those individual time, a common transportation system for information around the end. So let me say thank you for being here, and I hope we get a chance to meet a few of you over the course of the day. Thank you.
With the help of Susie, that she's going to